The Buckeye Trail Anywhere Guide is a free resource to promote youth health while expanding their knowledge about Ohio's history and geography. Students can get moving and hike the trail. No field trip required. The Ohio Department of Natural Resources transformed the 1,440-mile experience of the Buckeye Trail and packaged it into this guide. Here's how it works. Get students walking. You choose how to track a mile. For example, 1 lap around the gym or 100 steps can equal a mile. You can track however you like. Record student progress with these hiking boot trackers. Coloring in these boots unlocks new educational information from pages in the guide. These pages tell students what they would see along the way if they were physically on the trail. For example, Mile 58 brings you to the trail section of Bell Valley. There, you would learn about Salt Fork State Park and that it hosts one of the largest Bigfoot conferences in the nation. This virtual trail can be completed by your class in as little as 2 months. This guide aligns with Ohio educational standards for social studies, math, and physical education. Access the guide by downloading your own copy online at ohiodnr.gov/Buckeye Trail Anywhere. You can also request a free map for your classroom wall to help track your students' progress. So get moving and take your students on an adventure around Ohio's greatest natural wonders without ever leaving your school.